Gene, Shadow MKII, Captain Gutt, and Stinky Pete. I'm going to buy some stuff for Sam. Am I? If you behave while I'm at the store, the four of you will be ungrounded, okay? Hey, Captain Gutt, Stinky Pete, and Shadow MKII. I was wondering if you want to play with a nail gun. Yes, Gene. We always wanted to play with a nail gun very horrendously. Oh my god, Gene! You killed Shadow MKII. You're gonna get grounded when Minnesota and Oregon and Rural Supervised Sucks gets back. I've seen horrible things and I've been to a lake of ravioli. My hat split open and dragonflies flew out. I need to Dushanbe myself. Hold on, I got a marriage to save. My hat split open and dragonflies flew out. Yeah, we already heard that. Boys, do not look up his curved mouth country. Buck my butt, buck my butt, buck my butt. Gene, Shadow MKII, Captain Gutt, and Stinky Pete. How dare you play with a nail gun and shot Stinky Pete and revive him. That's it. You are grounded until Pekala Roll Super Y 6 reaches 30 subscribers. This means no Super Y, no Pinky Dinky Doo, no Epic from 2013, no Patty the Pelican, and other stuff that you like and my subscriber hates. We'll order the Wow Wow Z DVDs off of Amazon. Go to your room right now. Word, yay!